With the introduction of type approval, lightboards have become less used, but are predominantly for bringing equipment back that the lights have failed on. But it is important to know the width of your vehicle, as that would have determined what size lightboard you need. For instance, on this lightboard is a 4'6", comes with the fog and your triangles, so that is anything that is over 4 foot in width has to have that style lightboard. With a 3 foot lightboard, that can be used for anything such as a standard cargo trailer or pedestrian roller trailers that are under 4 foot wide. So if you've identified that you need to replace a bulb on your lightboard or on your trailer, simply grab a screwdriver, remove the 2 screws, remove the face of the lens, unscrew the bulb, replace it with the new one, replace the lens, replace the screws. That is how you change a bulb.